Welcome to Tween and Teen Cooking to Go. I am Miss Ann and I'm glad you are joining us. Today's recipe I found on YouTube and you can find the link at the end of this video. We are making tortilla pizza. So you need 1 tortilla, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. You need about 1/4 cup of cheese, 1 pinch of dried oregano, your favorite pizza toppings, which is mine is pepperoni, parchment paper, a pizza pan or a cookie sheet, oven mitts or pot holders, a spatula to help you get it off of your cookie sheet or pizza sheet, a pizza cutter. First important step, make sure your hands are clean. You have washed them. Second step, we want to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Then we want to line our cookie sheet or pizza sheet with parchment paper because we don't want to make a mess. And if we do, it's on the parchment paper and it will not stick. 1 tortilla. Let's do a tablespoon of tomato sauce. Spread it around. You know what? I think we need a little bit more. So I'm going to do 2. A pinch of oregano. That's pinch. Spread it on your tomato sauce that's on your tortilla. I'm actually going to put a little bit more. This gives it the pizza taste to the marinara. Makes it the marinara. You could add a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder too. I just thought about that now. Go ahead and add your cheese. Mine's a mix. I didn't have mozzarella at home, but I have sharp cheddar and Parmesan. I like a lot of cheese. I'm actually going to add a little bit more because the cheese that this is all the cheese that I brought to the library. I like a lot of cheese. Spread it around. Add my pepperoni slices. That's what it looks like. Personal pan pizza. So we are going to bake it for like 5 to 8 minutes. Be very careful because your oven is preheated and it is hot. And we're going to let it get happy. So I just took my tortilla pizza out of the oven. This was 7 minutes. 5 would be good. I like mine a little crispier. It looks so good. So you're going to let it cool off for about 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. This smells delicious. I have my pizza cutter. So I am going to cut it into 4 slices right on the parchment paper and the cookie sheet. This looks amazing and it smells so good. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, look what it looks like. It's a little greasy because all the cheese. I gotta have one more bite. I definitely give the tortilla pizza a thumbs up. Actually, 2 thumbs up. It is so delicious. So my favorite recipes of the summer 2025 is the tortilla pizza, this taco spaghetti, the 2 ingredient bagels was delicious. The 3 ingredient sugar cookie was really good too. Thinking back, I like the breakfast idea, which was the pancake muffins. Those were delicious. So thank you for watching my summer series of Tween and Teen Cooking to Go. And stay tuned for October. Maybe we'll have something kind of fallish.